Hey there, fellow digital marketers and business owners. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for managing your online presence. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to block someone on Meta Business Suite in 2025. Whether you're dealing with pesky spammers, unwanted messages, or just need to maintain a clean inbox, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Meta Business Suite account. If you haven't already, head over to the Meta website, sign in with your business credentials, and you'll land on the dashboard. This is your command center for all things Facebook, Instagram, and more. Step 1. Navigate to the section where the interaction is happening. For most cases, this will be the Inbox or Messages tab. Click on it, and you'll see your conversations listed out. Scroll through or search for the person you want to block. Maybe it's someone sending irrelevant pitches or causing drama. Once you've found that user, look for their message thread. On the right side, you should see a few options like Reply or More. Click on More to expand the menu. Here, you'll find the Block option. It's usually straightforward, but remember, Meta updates their interface regularly, so if it's 2025, it might look a tad different, but the core features stay the same. Select Block, and a confirmation pop-up will appear. It might ask if you're sure, as blocking prevents them from messaging you or interacting with your business pages. Go ahead and confirm. Boom, they're blocked. To double-check, you can revisit your blocked list under the Settings menu. And that's it. Blocking someone on Meta Business Suite is a simple way to protect your brand's reputation and keep your focus on what matters. If you run into any issues, Meta's Help Center is always a great resource. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more 2025 business hacks. See you in the next video.